Alright. You guys have no idea how many times I've recorded this fucking intro section. I can't even talk. Fuck it. I'm not even gonna try anymore. Lollipop Chainsaw. This is my third time trying to record it. I actually have my audio set up properly, so this might be one of the first videos on my channel that you can actually fucking hear me and the game. Who knows? I guess I'll see when I get this shit done. From what I have seen, I haven't watched any genuine footage on this game. All I know about it is like a couple clips here and there, so it has been genuinely entertaining.
Seriously? Dude. The hell?
I don't think I'm a big fan of the red hair. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna put it back to blonde. I've got another outfit that I need to put on too.
And on my birthday too. Like we're not already late enough. Gross.
God, I hate when this happens on my birthday, man.
Stupid. Undead douchebags.
It's the worst. God, this is fucking great. Go! Being told she's not fat. Well,
this is
at least
so
she's easy.
irritating.
Alright, get ready to watch me fuck up quick time events. Honestly, I'm kind of happy I'm re-recording, because on my first couple run-throughs of like the first hour or so, I had the setting turned on where it did those quick time events for me. Dude, I wasn't even playing the game. So, you should have at least a little bit of genuine playthrough now. I'm gonna have to turn the music back up. I turned it down too much. Ah, dick.
Zombies do poop.
Come here, you. Yeah, I know it might not seem legit at first to some people since I already have some moves, but you know what? Fuck them. And that's the only thing I have to say about that. I am gonna try and save everyone. That's what I have been doing. That's what I'm gonna keep trying to do. So, yeah. Nope. Okay, I can't save her.
Be safe or be
Okay,
sorry.
it looks like that dude's...
Hold it right there.
Every time that I get this
You
far, it always
zombie
looks like this
jerks.
dude's a little too late to be
I'll help
saved.
you.
I'm pretty sure that dude just got bit. Sorry, dude. You're already dead. Oh, you undead douchebag. Oh my god, this is a new one. I haven't seen that before. Alright, dude, get up.
Awesome. I'm still alive.
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
Thanks, Charles. Get him out of here. Oh, fuck.
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving.
Dude, no shit. Give me that. I want that. I also want to turn my music volume back up. I don't think I can skip the song. It's just gonna play on its own. Anyway. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. I will never know. Grab them coins.
Your license should be revoked, bro.
Dude, zombies can't fucking drive at all.
Oh, great.
Please don't touch my
This isn't
tank.
gonna be
I
as
need
easy as
that.
I thought. Hey, Herb, don't be looking at my skirt.
Believe it or not, I do need my taint. Very important part. Oh. Very important part.
Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
Come here. Oh shit. They got their legs. They don't need legs. Okay, get down to. Watch out. Oh shit. Dying light. That was the wrong move. Dying light.
Who am I?
Great. I see one more. I got it. All right.
Dude. Epic combo. Dude, I still don't know what the fuck he's talking about. If one more piece of shit zombie driver, alright, the undead are going on like the highest list of stereotypes for people who can't fucking drive.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Well, like, obviously they would be, because dead people can't fucking drive. You know what I'm talking about. Dude, those zombies over there are chill. Like, I shouldn't even have to fuck with them, right? Like, they're just gonna be jamming. Hey, don't worry about me. I'm trying to look at the zombies. And Charles up there. Okay, it looks like I don't have an option. Okay, they're fucking me up. Dying light.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
Thanks for the fun fact, dude.
Fuck off! Get away!
It's
More
so
of
bad to
a
save somebody's life.
Teddy Roosevelt guy, but I feel like most people are a Teddy Roosevelt guy. Teddy Roosevelt was kind of the fucking goat. Teddy Roosevelt, Benjamin Franklin, both fucking goats. Don't even think about it. Dying light. Yeet. Are you alive? Holy shit. Boom. Give me that lollipop. I want the lollipop. You got this shit, Charles. Give me your legs. Give me your legs.
Fuck off! Get away!
Oh shit. Come on, get away from me.
Good.
I am looking good. I'm looking great. Okay, get down quick. Okay. Dude, you're running way too fast. Walking way too fast. Sue me. Fuck you. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Come here. 3? Yeah, it's only 3. Three more. And go right into the next one. Bonk. And give me head. Don't touch my taint. Jesus Christ, more? How many of them are there?
Feed is for suckers.
Okay.
No! If only I had protected you.
Alright. I was looking over at my mic volume, and I'm not gonna lie, him saying the fetus for suckers thing might have distracted me a little bit. Who the fuck says that? That's the first time I've died. Holy shit.
Come on, get away from me.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Bam!
Pop it.
Oop, landed on my ass. Dying light. Right in your vagina, fuck you.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
Something Teddy Roosevelt.
Fuck off! Get away!
It's so rad to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones. I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming.
Yeah, and I might as well. I never use this. Oop, wrong button. Wrong button again. I'll press it eventually. See, my problem is that I didn't get the lollipop. Get back.
Fuck off! Get away!
Get back. Come on, get back. Maybe get the crowd. There we go. Keep giving me those. Let's go. Okay. Doing a good combo here. Get over there. Have a little more. Zombies on my ass. They're on my ass. Get in.
Your goal.
Grab that. He'll be fine. They already bit him. He dies anyway. Spoiler alert. Fuck you. Okay. Here we go. That's what it's all about. Epic dodge. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Of course you're still alive. Yeah.
Fantastic job, kid.
Glad you made it, pilot dude.
Yeah, you should probably pull up a little faster. No, that's not good.
I'll meet you in the square.
And immediate crash.
Get off me, you bastard! Oh shit! Tell my wife
I don't think we'll be doing that.
Oh no! He crashed over by the school and is probably dead.
Anyway, I'm gonna go shopping. After I answer this call from my mom.
Just a second.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Joke's on you, Mom. I'm gonna be a fucking
Wow,
idiot.
now is the perfect time to do some shopping. God, I love shopping.
Fuck, shopping's the best. Oh my god, baby. I love shopping. Holy shit. Oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Boom, 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 boom.
What should I get?
Wish there were, like, oldies. I haven't found oldies. I got funk. No oldies, though. Lollipop, lollipop, oh,
What should I get?
lollipop, lollipop, lolly, 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 lollipop. Oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Boom, 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 boom. It's a good song.
Click, click.
What do you want from me? Okay, fuck yeah.
Well,
Very effective. Say hi to the lovebirds
get
over
out of
here.
my way. I'm in a hurry.
Oh shit, it's Michaela. And no head.
Wait.
God damn, Michaela, calm the fuck down. Bitch. Look, these two are just making out. I don't even want to fuck with them. I would sneak past if you'd let me.
I'm drooling.
Alright. I want to fight all of them.
Come out.
Can I sneak through here? No, I have to fight them. Okay. I'm gonna try and bunch them all together.
Ready? Go. All right. Stop it.
There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna get a couple of these.
Cool.
I'm surprised I didn't get another one right there. I'm not... No, I'm not gonna let anyone do that.
Yay! Your goal.
Super duper. Oh, that was awesome.
Sweet.
Look, I think everyone should try this game out. It's fun mechanics, good humor. And so far, what I've played of it has been pretty fucking good. Combos are at the ass, too. Really fucking good. Oh my god, I forgot about that. I need to use that more. Yes. Bitch! Dying Light. Oh, that's not Dying Light. Dying Light.
Kick ass.
Ooh, my knees.
Stay back! Get off! No! No!
Zombie's not dead.
No, I think you are. Ooh, Lollipop.
Please move. I'm in a hurry.
Fuck you, George.
Yum.
I'm gonna use that. Also, oh, I can't use my Nick tickets yet. I just bought them for no fucking reason. God damn it. Moron. Bitch! Nope, fuck you. Good fuck, Georgie. Bitch. Alright. Forgot about this guy.
Decontaminate! Decontaminate!
You decontaminate yourself.
Hey, respect people's property.
That's what I'm saying. You respect my boundaries. Bitch. Oh, I did it wrong. Bitch. Okay, y'all are cornering me, I'm not a big fan. There's one. Sorry, I need to lock the fuck in. Yeah, I'm getting my ass kicked. I started having too much fun. I got things kicking my ass. Okay, flip him over. Come on. Fuck you, Jerry. Okay. Uncalled for. Bitch! Woohoo! God.
Oh, Nick, please be okay.
Baby. He's fine. Thankfully.
Nick? Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Oh, you might turn around.
Juliet! Ah! Ah! Ow! Are you okay, Juliet?
Yes,
Oh, Nick, you're such a gentleman.
Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I
Just
don't know what that means.
nibble.
What does that mean?
Oh, no. It can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Nick, her birthday's already fucked up.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you. Oh, I fucking love you.
I fucking love you, Juliet. Fuck.
Nick. No. There's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you too, baby.
That has to be horrible.
Kidding.
Alright, sue me. See on the completion time.
Completely awesome.
A-rank. Alright, high school. You know what?
Whoa.
Actually,
Julia? What? Am I okay?
actually, you know what? I can't pause here. I can pause here.
What the fuck is going on here?
You know what? I'm gonna do another episode some other time. Y'all have a nice time. Catch me in the next one. Spaceman out. Sorry.